So let's talk about SDK today. What is SDK? You must have heard this term numerous times, but today we'll try to explain it from scratch. So, what is SDK? SDK stands for Software Development Kit. It is a downloadable software package that contains the tools that you need to build an application. Now, if it is a downloadable software package, what all lies inside it? It contains libraries, or you can also call it APIs, IDE, that stands for Integrated Development Environment, and some other tools. Libraries or APIs are predefined pieces of code that help you perform common programming tasks on the platform. IDE is a visual editor that helps you design and lay out graphical elements like buttons and text boxes. These are common mobile SDK. For example, Xcode is Apple IDEs for developing iOS application, while there are many IDEs options for Android. Android SDK is also one of them. And the other tools will help you to do things like debugging, build, run, and test your application. Let's go to Wiki and understand uh, the proper definition of SDK. So SDK is a collection of software development tools in one installable package. They facilitate the creation of application by having a compiler, debugger, and perhaps a software framework. They are normally specific to a hardware platform and operating system combination. To create an application with advanced functionalities such as advertisement, push notification, etc. Now, let's see. So typically, a basic SDK will include a compiler, debugger, and an application programming interface. But they can also include any of the following, such as documentations, libraries, editors, runtime or development environment, testing, drivers, and network protocols. A good SDK will supply any components a developer might find necessary when creating an app for that specific product. Some SDK will also include an example of basic test project to help developer get this started as quickly as possible. Some examples of software development kits are Java Development Kit (JDK) or Windows 7 SDK, the Mac OS X SDK. If you want to develop an Android application, you would need an Android SDK tool to build an Android app, an iOS SDK to build an iOS app, a VMware SDK for integrating with the VMware platform, or a Nordic SDK for building Bluetooth or wireless product, and so on. The characteristics of a good SDK. It should be easy to use by other developers, though thorough documentation to explain how your code works, enough functionality so it adds value to the app, does not navigate impact a mobile device CPU's battery or data consumption, plays well with the other SDKs. In the next video, we'll talk about the difference between SDK and APIs. When we need to use SDK and when we need to use the APIs. So thanks viewers for watching today's video on SDK.